can help us stop the other two.
Okay.
Now we just have to figure out how the hell we're gonna give it to him. We gotta move.
You know, I'm actually glad you're both still alive. Now you can go up there and distract your friend while I get the hell out of here. Or I could kill you both now.
Okay. I'll go. George!
Get away from me! Get your hands off me! What the hell are you doing? What? Feeding the monster to the gorilla.
My sister, she lost her goddamn mind. You just get an SUV over here. You get me out of here now.
Damn, son. Did you just run down 80 flights of stairs?
Who the hell are you?
I'm the fella that was gonna run up those stairs to arrest you. But you look so terrible, I feel kind of bad about it. I'll tell you what. Since you're working so hard to get out of here, I'm guessing you got a laptop in that bag there. You give it to me, and you can just get right out that door.
Really?
Yeah. You just hand it over and be on your way.
Okay. Surely my sister did all this. I mean, this wasn't even my idea.
Since when is complicity a crime?
Exactly. See you, Tex?
Hey, why don't you leave little fella here with me?
That's my pleasure. I hate that thing.
Oh, damn. That was a lot. Boy, I hope y'all have a plan up there. What do you say, little fella? You and I take another exit.
When will the antidote kick in?
10 minutes, maybe?
This building's not gonna be standing in 10 minutes.
How the hell did we get up this roof?
Maybe we don't have to get off the roof at all.
What? Nope, we definitely do.
Come on!
David, there's no tail on this helicopter.
That's right, we don't need one.
Will you do if you want to fly?
We're not gonna fly. We're gonna crash.
What?
Okay, we just need to get enough lift to stay on top of the building as it falls. You know, just like riding an avalanche.
No, I don't know.
Oh, come on, baby. Here we go. This could get ugly.